All right, so yesterday was an especially amazing day. I picked up this 1972 Ford F100 Explorer trim, and it's got a 302 in it, also known as the 50. Now, I'm not expecting 50 numbers, but this is a smooth, solid running truck. Now, it does need some work. It needs a new gas tank. It needs to go from the 3 on the tree to 3 on the floor. I'm about to pull the interior and get this upholstery off to the upholstery guy. I got my sign guy coming to look at measuring the truck for a little shop decal on the side. It is going to be a good start to this project. Now, this is an old flatbed truck. What I'm going to do is take some of these metal posts off, cut them off, because I don't think I have any need for that. What we will do is in some of these sections right here, put some wood coming up and then run some slats left to right. We'll lose this big bit back here. I think you just don't get to see enough of the truck with that piece back there. Maybe I can turn it into some sort of ramp on hinges off the back for loading motorcycles and whatnot. All right, so here's the real magic of the movies, if you will. I had to get the 8 bolts off there. Took a lot of WD-40 and a lot of knuckle busting. You didn't see that. You're just gonna see me drag this thing out. But just, man, take a 45-minute pause and go bang your knuckles against the wall or the concrete. Get real greasy, and then you got an idea of what it was really like. Let's drag the seat out of here. And there you have it. It's out. Time to load it in the Tacoma, get it to the upholstery shop, and go home and rest. Next time we see this truck, this new interior, we'll be looking so much better. I've had that truck less than 24 hours, and I got the interior pulled, and I got the side decal happening, and then I come home and on the porch I see this, which is always a good thing when you're expecting amber headlights for the truck, which would be a nice icing on the cake. I guess the upholstery is icing on the cake, so I don't know what this is, but this is needed as well. Today I'm gonna pull the old gas tank. I ordered a gas tank myself. I've ordered most of the parts myself because you just can't find people that want to work. I'm gonna get this done Monday. If the piece is that they're supposed to do isn't done, I'm coming to pick the truck up, we'll bring it to the house, and do the work myself. Now it's time for the bigger business, getting this new seat in the old truck. Well, while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and install this wheel chock for the motorcycle, as well as a couple tie-down points. This will be so when I have the ramp, I can load my bike up, put it in the wheel chock, tie it down, and smash bikes like it's my job. And that's what I'm talking about. Amber headlight. Number 1. Yep, amber headlight. Number 2. This morning, so that's Saturday morning, got me a nice cup of coffee, and I figured head to the garage and do one of my favorite little upgrades. And that would be throwing in an amber set of headlights. So the old 1970 pickup is coming right along. The only thing it's missing is a conversion kit. It'll take it from 3 on the tree to 3 on the floor. I came back from a little ride on a Sunday, and we got this guy, and we got that guy. That should be our manual shift kit, Hurst shifter 3-speed. I've never done one of these before. This is the first time for everything, right? And there it is, Hurst shifters for trucks. So today I'm converting the column shift to floor shifter, and for that I needed these ramps so I can elevate the front of the truck to crawl under there and dig into this project. I've never done this before. I'm a little intimidated, but I think there's enough YouTube videos and manuals that we can get this thing converted with the new Hurst shifter and get this thing on the road.